Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's OLSP System review video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and 100% commissions have recently come in. Down the right hand side here, you'll see my commissions $260.30. More importantly in this video, to show you how this product within the OLSP system is called Megalink. And with the Megalink, you just get one link. You can promote one link and you can earn up to 7 income streams. The product is owned and created by this gentleman here, Wayne Crowe. And if you want to come along and meet Wayne, which I recommend you do, there'll be a link in the description that will give you access to this short video, free video tour here, excuse me, that lasts about 10 minutes. And I'm going to take you inside the members area now and just show you some proof of multiple income streams. And a bit later on, I'm going to show you exactly how you can just promote one link and how this system works. It's important to understand how it works. So we're going to go into commissions in my members area. I'll just blur out the members information here for privacy. And I want to take you back. Let's go back here to the very beginning. And you'll see multiple income streams here because Wayne created his own products. He's been online for 15 years. And December the 6th, I blurred out the members information for privacy, but December the 6th is when I started. Megalink is one income stream, and you'll see here $7, and that's 100% commission. So the Megalink costs you a one-time payment of $7, and once you get one of these referrals, after that, if you use free traffic like I do, then the rest is going to be profit for you. This one here is Mega Messenger. This is another product within the OLSP Done For You funnel. This one here was a $10.80 commission. We'll go on to another page here and show you another product called List Building and Magic Link. You'll see here there's one there. So you're just promoting one link, and this is now what I think we're on the third product here so far. The third product, go on to another page, and you'll see some more list buildings, some more mega messengers. And if I just show you this here, because you can also get paid for commenting on Facebook. So when you see these 25-cent ones here, I'm going to do a different video on this because with the Megalink, you get a product that you can comment on Facebook. And they are small commissions, but it all adds up. And then that brings us back to a total and balance here of $260 with Megalink. So let's just go. I want to show you now because really what happens is with this system, the commissions are great, but the way this system excels with Wayne and what he's created here is the training and the support you get to be able to become successful and make money online. You'll see here he's got an encore training. Special guests will guarantee you earn money. So I did a training, a live trade. There's live trainings every week. Did a live training, I think it was 2 days ago. You can join the encore there. Within the members area here, when you join, you'll see, first of all, there's lots of free trainings and replays. These two here, what I recommend you watch straight away. He teaches you the system he's using here, how he made 10 million and the 100 commission hack. Just click on there to get access to those trainings. This one here, Comment Dominator Pro, is what you get, where you can comment on Facebook and get paid. It's a great way to get your Megalink paid for, to reimburse the $7 that you've paid there. So those trainings there are absolutely superb. And let's go now and just show you exactly step by step how this system works. I want you to understand the value that you're going to get with the Megalink. So when you join the Megalink, you'll get a training here. There's 1, 2, 3, there's 6 videos here. And this is just one part of the OLSP system. It's the first stages of the system. You can stay with Megalink, but there are upgrade options that are not compulsory. If you want to scale up your affiliate marketing income, then there's upgrade options as well. So if you're brand new, then the key thing here is not to get overwhelmed by all these boxes, because all you've got to do, this is what Wayne shows you in his training. He does all these trainings here, all these video trainings personally. Now, if you see in the Megalink training here, he's drawn a line here. Now, what he talks about in this training is everything to the left of the line is all you've got to be concerned with. So if you haven't got any affiliate marketing experience, it's perfect for beginners, because all you're going to do is one thing. And that one thing is this box here. And that's all you've got to do. And that's, he calls it people. He's going to teach you how to generate traffic to your Megalink. Megalink is just an affiliate link. You'll see mine in the top right hand corner up here, Megalink. So all I do is promote that link, and that link is a lead capture page. So when you get your link, you'll be promoting this page. It's a done for you page. So the great thing is it's perfect for beginners, because you don't have to create any lead capture pages. You don't have to create any autoresponder messages. You don't even have to pay for a monthly autoresponder. Your prospect puts your email into there, and then what happens there is everything on the right hand side over here is where Wayne has created a 100% done for you system, where he is going to promote you. So let's put here done for you. So everything you see on the right hand side of this line here is everything that Wayne has created and everything that he does for you. And let's just go here. So I'll just take you through the system. Very, very simple. He gives you a squeeze page, lead capture page. Your prospects put their email. So you drive traffic to your Megalink. They put their email address in there, and then he sends out emails for you, automated. So you could be at work, you could be asleep, you could be out with your family and your friends, and Wayne is promoting, and he's going to put your affiliate links into those emails, your affiliate links. Now, he's created his own products. Spent $250,000 on this system, and he's going to promote offers in those emails to your prospects. Now, these offers range from low ticket, medium ticket, monthly recurring commissions, and higher ticket products here. He's got his own products he's going to promote for you. And then what happens is, if any of your prospects decide they want to buy, then you will earn those commissions. So when I showed you the proof of commission, that's all I've done. I've just taken one link and I've promoted my Megalink, and that's it. So if you are brand new, don't get overwhelmed by everything on the right hand side of this line. You don't have to worry about it. It's all done for you. All you've got to do is one thing, and that's one thing you'll have to learn anyway to promote any online offer, is learn traffic. But he's going to train you on traffic. He's going to train you on traffic in the members area with replays, weekly trainings, question and answer, complete 100% done for you system. Now it gets even better, because he's created a community in the Facebook group. So you're going to get all the help, all the support that you need. Wayne is very active himself within the Facebook group. You've got a lot of members. I'll just show you here. I just noticed this morning a couple of new people. Made my first Megalink affiliate. The first $7 online, brand new, just coming online. Got my first commissions here. $13. So let's have a look. Generate. Thank you everyone who's been supportive of my questions and lostness. So people have been trying to put the pieces together of the jigsaw, but Wayne's done it all for you. So everything you need is here to become successful. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so we're not making any income claims in this video or guarantees. I'm just showing you what works for me and other members of OLSP System. And we've all got an equal opportunity to become a member of OLSP System, excuse me, and promote it as an affiliate. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that, because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video and you'd like to see some more videos from me, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, sometimes 2 new ones a day. Any questions on our OLSP system, please put those in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. And I'll put my email address in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So the link in the description will give you access to this video here. Come and meet Wayne Crowe. This gentleman is doing some great things, helping people to make money online, and we'd love to help you become successful and join our OLSP team. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.